What's up, YouTube? This is Cuss over here, Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville. And today, I got a special announcement. We finally hit 1,000 subscribers. So y'all give yourselves a round of applause. Come on now. Come on now. Now, first of all, I gotta say something. Now, the first things first, I'd like to shout out to everybody that's been showing this channel love, okay? Barber Illuminati, and the list goes on. Shout out to everybody that follow me on Instagram, subscribe to this channel, the people that drop comments on the bottom of these videos, the people that share these videos to their friends. I appreciate all the love, the support, and then all of my people that sat in the chairs while I was cutting their hair and that showed me love and came through. Shout out to all my customers. Shout out to all of you guys out there in YouTube world that's been showing me love. I appreciate everything. This right here is going to be my new intro to my videos. So y'all keep it locked, stay tuned, and I'm going to keep dropping videos from this point on. Sky's the limit. We're going to take off, y'all. Barber Illuminati.